No, no, Gayatri Mantra is never described in any of.
He came here to catch me. What's up, guys? Nothing to do on this lockdown. You know one thing. Lockdown has been extended this month. And there is nothing much to do. I thinking to make more blog, but there is the lockdown and no customer will be come. So I feel a bit bored. Like who wanted to interest to see my day-to-day life? So I'm thinking that not to make blog or something. But one of my friend told me that just shoot yourself and just post it. Now I'm going to prepare my breakfast. There is one bread. I bought it like 1 week ago. It's been more than 1 week, like 10 days something. Because of lockdown, you know, nowhere can go and no shop are open. So only this thing is left. And I don't eat morning heavy meal. So for me, this one will be perfect. 2 bread and some milk and tea. Tea or whatever, let's see. I'll take more precautions because who knows if fungus inside. What is that, man? Whatever. I'll just toast on the toaster. If fungus or bacteria will be inside, all will be burned. Then after that, I'll gonna put this one in here, roast again. Toasting and roasting. This is the milk. Pure creamy milk. Now I'm having this bread toast. I just pour some butter on it, butter and bread. There is the egg, but I feel a bit lazy to boil the egg. Just I done my breakfast and I fresh up. One of the guy, he's in the Indian army and I just tell him to come at 12:30. Man, he called me at 12:30, you know, and he's just arrived sharp at 12:30. Wish I could be punctual like him, man. Damn. I can go straight to the moon if I'll be punctual like him. I'll just grab my bag. Army guys are salute. They are very punctual. Sarji, wait. This is the guy. Like I just tell him to come at 12:30.
You told me 1:30.
1:30. But you reach 1 hour before. Yeah. Damn. Like sharp 12:30. Right. If I'll be punctual like him, I can go moon or somewhere. Yeah. तो यही रहा जींग. सो विल बी टॉकिंग इन हिंदी राइट. क्या ठीक है ना, मस्त है. तो चलिए, फॉर यू गाइस आई विल ऐड द सबटाइटल इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी. नो हिंदी राइट. या हिंदी. कंफ्यूज हो गया ना. हिंदी में बोलना पड़ता है, इंग्लिश में बोलना पड़ता है. इंग्लिश में बोलते तो समझता है नहीं, फिर मेरे को बोलते हैं. और मिजो में भी मैं बात बोलता हूँ तो कोई बोलता है क्या बोल रहा है फिर मिजो में.
वो कंफ्यूज है.
लेकिन मेरा मतलब
मिजो में.
हाँ
मिजो में
नहीं सब इंग्लिश में. मिजो में तो मेरे को आता ही नहीं है बात करना. ऐसे टाइम पास के लिए कर बैठे बैठे क्या करें.
ठीक है.
दिस प्लेस इज वेरी डेंस.
They covered all slopes, na?
या
The ground area, na?
ओके. योर होम टाउन इज इन
Uttarakhand.
उत्तराखंड. ओके.
We selected the ground place in hill, na? On hill. We have a small villages, na? 10 to 12 houses in one place. वो सेक्रेटरी ना.
हाँ जी. So we're gonna cover this whole area. We'll add the shlok Gayatri Mantra on this area. Gayatri Mantra is just like Bible verse on the Hindu script, right? Yeah. And here will be at storm and Andhi Tufan.
No, Gayatri Mantra is never described in any of Bible or Quran.
Someone might be there will be don't know what is the Gayatri Mantra. Just I tell them like this will be Gayatri Mantra. This portion will be come on the outside. This part will be background shading with storm and lightning and all. We just print out this one. After that we'll make the stencil and we place here. लग रहा है डर लग रहा है. Hey police, chair police, lair police. खया zakte lomi. Tianpa lom. Tianpa. On Mizoram we call this thing ziel. Ziel, yeah. Ziel, yeah.
Clip the bro. Kimba putar lockdown putar to.
चलो फूक फाक के ये करते हैं ना. पुतर मो. पुतर लो. लेयर पुतर मो. लेयर पुतर. क्लांगवाल पुतर.
Kali esa guna na.
Yellow beers.
Ang moro Euro Cup kumli Copa America chul Copa America
FIFA 8 years.
So guys, we done our tattoo. Not here we change all this part. We add more shade, and here is the storm, Gayatri mantra, and this is our hung male model. Yeah. So how you feeling, bro?
Salman Khan
अच्छा
मस्त ना?
मस्त
खुश एकदम पूरा दिल से.
फुल खुश हो अभी
चलो.
और खुश होगा
चलो अभी ₹1,00,000 का बिल बनाते हैं आपका.
उधर दिखा दे ऐसे करके
अरे नहीं. He is Singham police. He came here to catch me, but I tell him don't catch me, catch chicks.
Dotsoy
Dot soy nilo. Yeah. Ler thian pa mo.
May layer zo
we offer him bribe ना
Yeah. Okay guys, see you in the next vlog. Bye, tata.